just remembered that the cone shaker is a treasure hunt. Just a regular treasure hunt. Yeah, got some good stuff here. So, Bugatti, Toyota, the new 5th gen Supra, which is a BMW, Datsun Sunny, Volvo 240 wagon, new GT3 M4 Coupe, 1970 Buick. Technically would be a Skylark, but it's really just a GSX. A tuned Supra, Taycan, Matchbox moving parts, Taycan wagon, Aston Martin GT3, not Valkyrie, I was gonna say Valkyrie, Vantage GT3, Alfa Romeo Giulia, Lotus Cortina. We've got the electric dragster, which I bought this one because it looks kind of neat. Toyota 4Runner, Ford Bronco, the new Jeep Recon. I've never seen a real one of these. I believe it's an EV only. And the Jeep Beetle the Baja Beetle that essentially a dune buggy, but it's closed. It'd be sort of like the Baja 500 dune buggy situation. Then we got the little small block, which is so weird. Strange. Anyway, then Co-Shaker again, and the Gasser shortened Nomad, which is pretty cool. Hope everybody's having a nice weekend.